Yeah, well, rainy season is here, and each day we have maybe few rainfalls, which lasts maybe for a half hour, something like this. And that's the thing in rainy season, you never know when it's gonna come.